Hey, it's not your leads, it's you. During this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why it's not your leads that suck. It's how you're addressing your leads that's the problem. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Todd Conklin. I built a $3 billion real estate company by changing the businesses of hundreds of real estate agents. Today, I want to talk to you about how your leads actually aren't the problem. It's how you're responding to those leads that's actually the problem. Let's get into it. Everybody wants to talk about lead generation, and then once they get the lead generation, they start talking about how the leads are no good. Oh, those leads are crap. Oh, those leads are dead. Y'all, in the history of history, nobody ever gave their name, contact information, phone number, email address, and said, oh boy, I hope they don't call me. That's not how it works. What happens is a customer potential, we'll call them a suspect, right? A suspect comes in and they see something that you have. They know they have a problem. They want a solution for their problem, and they see what you're offering and they think to themselves, you know what? That may be the solution for me. And they're willing to invest their contact information for the opportunity, the possibility that your solution might be the one. See, it's not the leads. They didn't ghost you, you ghosted them. So let's talk about 6 very specific things that you might be missing that's failing to convert these leads into clients. So number 1 on the list is the information that you're giving them, it's trash. It's no good. See, you said, hey, I'll give you this free download. And then they said, oh yeah, I'll give the information. It might be the answer to my problems. And then they did it and they got it and they're like, well, that was not what I was looking for. It's the bait and switch. The information's got to be good. Number 2, it's the speed at which you engaged with that customer. See, we live in a microwave society. We want information now. And if it took 72 hours for you to even respond, well, they're gone because you were gone. Number 3, the script that you're using, the dialogue that you're using, the engagement that you're using, it's off. Number 4, your offer to engage, to connect, it's too clunky. Number 5, you have commission breath. And yeah, even over the internet, even over the telephone, they can smell it. And number 6, you're not warming them up before you get on a phone call. So when they get on there, it's truly a cold call.
Real estate professionals, you and I both know 87% of the licensees don't make it in this business. Don't worry, I don't have anything to sell you here, but what I do want to do is I want to impact your life. I want to change your life. In order for you to be the top of the top, you're going to need to do some things different. And one of those things is to become part of the Sales Warrior community. Subscribe below, it's free.
All right, there's 6 reasons why it's not your leads, it's you. Now, here's how to fix them. Number 1, give away all the good stuff. Look, if you're going to offer a free download, you're going to offer a video, a link of some kind, make sure that it's professional, make sure that it's high quality. If you need to hire a videographer, for God's sakes, hire a videographer, right? There's ChatGPT, by the way, that can create really great branded documentation, but make sure you're giving away all of the good stuff. Number 2, speed to lead. The speed at which you respond to the lead matters. Nobody ever came to you and went, you know what? I'm going to hire somebody who takes 72 hours to respond to me. Set up automations if you need to set up automations. Do whatever it is that you need to do to make sure that when somebody inquires and they have a problem and you potentially have a solution, that you demonstrate how quickly and how important they are to you and your business. Number 3, ask questions. The way you engage people is you provide them a value, something of value, and then you end that with a question. Your job is to keep people into communication. Oftentimes what happens is a lead comes in and they start just asking questions. Don't do that. Give them what they're looking for, then ask a question. Your entire job is to ensure that the conversation stays alive and you're getting step by step closer to identifying what the real problem is so that you can determine whether or not you have the solution. Number 4, hire a VA or use an auto scheduler so it's really easy. You're removing the friction points to actually scheduling an appointment or a call or a Zoom call or a meeting with you. The ease at which, the speed at which you're removing the friction points, so you're not going back and forth on DMs or emails. Number 5, always solve, don't sell. Y'all, people want to buy, but they just don't want to be sold. So every time you're having a conversation, get rid of the commission breath. You are there to serve them. Your entire job, identify the problem, find an elegant and efficient way to solve the problem, and communicate that to them. And number 6, create a VSL, a video sales letter that is a series of videos that provides additional value, gives the client the opportunity to get to know you a little bit better, understand your value, understand your demeanor, your personality, and provides them with more value so that they can feel like they already know, like, and trust you. So that when you get on that phone call, when you get on that Zoom call, when you go to that meeting, number 1, they're not seeing you for the first time. And number 2, that's not a cold call, it's a warm call. Y'all, if you're interested in being in a community and getting more information just like this, do me a favor, check the description. There's some links down there. One of those gives you the ability to schedule a 15-minute free call. I'm happy to jump on a call and have a discovery on what it is that you're doing, looking to achieve. Maybe we can help. Can't wait to see you on the next video.